Here it is here. 6-inch blade, heat treated, durable fixed blade, 10.5-inch overall length. Does come with a sheath. One thing I want to mention about us people who create these videos is how much lighting we need. I've got a 300 watt 15 by 15 LED light behind me, and I also got some shop lights above me pointing down just to get enough lighting to, to do these reviews. All right, so I'm going to use a Quinn shop shear. These are awesome. I do have a review on these. If you don't have one of these, you have to buy one. A must. $7.99 at Harbor Freight. Okay, and Gordon is Harbor Freight's one of Harbor Freight's lines. We're gonna open this. Yeah, this shears works great for open these type of packages up because they are sealed pretty good. Now, I am not an expert at knives. I just put by the reviews. They look pretty good. It's pretty sharp. Looks like it's built pretty well. All right, let's jump over to Harbor Freight website and take a look at it. All right, we're on the Harbor Freight website, and here it is here. $24.99. The reviewers put this at a pretty good knife. The reviews right now, 99%, which is really good for a Harbor Freight tool, any tool. And that's comparing it to the buck knives, this one here. So let's go over to Amazon to show you that knife. Here it is here, $74.99. And if you look here, these knives look identical. So definitely a savings getting the Gordon version, Harbor Freight Gordon version. And here's a price tracking website, $24.99. It's held that price for a while. It's kind of dropped here and there. Of course, this red line's your coupon. And it's gone down. There's a coupon on May that was $17.99. So that's been the lowest price on this. So, like, you just wait for a coupon or, like anything of Harbor Freight. And right now they have a 30% off going on this weekend for 5 items under $20. So if you're looking to fill your toolbox or some tools, that's a great discount to take advantage of. All right, let's get back to the knife. I think for the price, with the reviews this got on the Harbor Freight website, I think it's a good deal. This is my first 6-inch knife like this. And of course you do got the sheath you can put into. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.